Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you this eye makeup look. I am going to be trying out for the first time the ColourPop Supernova shadow. I'm going to give you guys my first impression and opinion about it. Now you got to stay tuned to the end of the video so you guys can know what I think about it. So if you guys want to see my makeup look, then you definitely have to keep watching. And if you guys enjoy it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, if you guys want to see this eye makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay loves, so let's get started with this makeup look. So basically I already did my foundation, primer, and all that stuff. I will leave all that information down below in the description box because this tutorial is based on the eye look, because I am going to be trying out this ColourPop Supernova shadow. This is my first time ever trying out their Supernova shadows. Like, I've heard of them, but I never tried them out. So I wanted to give it a try, and I got the shade Pure Lude. I'm probably butchering it. But it's this shade right here, and I thought it was such a beautiful shade. I am gonna swatch it for you guys so you guys can see it on my hand. But yeah, I'm gonna create a look with this shadow. Oh god, it's like an iridescent look. I can't even see how like you guys can see it. I can do it over here. It's like, there you go. So it's a very nice like pinky iridescent look. So I was like, I have to do a makeup look using that. So I am gonna try out for the first time. I mean, I heard mixed reviews about them, that they're good, that they're not, that they're very chunky. I want to give it a try for myself and let you guys know how I feel about it. So I am going to go in and prime my eyes. I didn't get to try this in my last tutorial trying out all new products. This is the Ulta Beauty Tinted Eye Primer, and this is in the shade Peach Glow. And it looks like this. And I wanted to try it in my other tutorial, but I forgot. But today I am definitely going to try it out since I am only doing a makeup not makeup, like an eye look. So I'm just gonna dab it on the eyes like that. Oh, and it has like a pinky tint to it, if that is what I see. Don't mind my fingers because I need to go and get a fill-in, do my nails because they're looking busted right now. So let me just blend this out with the brush. It's a very pretty like tinted primer. Let me zoom in so you guys can see a little bit better. So it's like a very tinted eye primer. I've never tried this before, but it looks cool. I'm hoping that my shadows stay on with this primer because it's like my first time ever trying out this primer, and I'm hoping and praying that it works for me. This is the Carly Bible Deluxe Edition palette from BH Cosmetic. I love this palette. When she first launched the smaller version, I was like obsessed with it. I would use it every single day. But then she came out with the deluxe. I had to get it because I love the first one. So I'm gonna go in with this palette and I'm going to set my eyes. I'm just gonna grab this white shade right here and set down the primer because I don't want it to crease. So I'm just taking this brush. It's a Lab 2 brush. I got this a long time ago. Since this shadow is like a pinky iridescent look, I'm gonna go in with these purple mauve shades here. So the first shade I'm gonna grab is this one right here, and I'm just gonna grab, if I have, I'm gonna grab a big fluffy brush. Actually, this brush is from ColourPop, but they don't have names on it. I know the new brushes that they came out with do have names, but this one doesn't have a name on it. It's just a big fluffy brush. So I'm just gonna grab this mauve shade right here, and I'm just gonna start putting that in the crease area and use it as my transition shade. I used to be obsessed with the first palette that she came out with BH Cosmetic, because it's just so pigmented. You have eyeshadows, you have highlighters, all in one palette. Like, who doesn't like that? Like, I love that. And with a Morphe, this is a Morphe 433 brush, and I'm gonna go in with this purple mauve shade right here, and I'm just gonna start building that up into my crease area. So I'm just gonna pack it on here in the outer corner, and then I'm gonna pack it on in the inner tear duct, so I can create like the halo effect. Now guys, I am not an expert at halo eyes, so don't kill me, but I try my best. So I'm just gonna build it up right here, and then just bring it together. Okay guys, so I am done applying the purple mauve shade onto the eyes. So I'm going to clean up the inner, well, the center of the eye, so I can apply the Supernova shadow. But I'm gonna go in with a little bit of concealer so it can stick on much better. So I'm just gonna apply some concealer here on the back of my hand, and I'm just gonna use an e.l.f. smudge brush. I'm just gonna grab some concealer and just clean up the center part. So next we're gonna go in with the Supernova shadow. So let me zoom you guys a little bit more in. So I'm gonna apply this. I'm gonna shake it up a little bit so I can get a better payoff, of course. So I'm gonna go in with this. I'm gonna use the brush first and see how it applies. If I don't like it, then I'll go in with a brush, but I'm just gonna go directly onto the eyes and just apply it. Brush. I'm gonna pick up the product again. It's not my favorite. I wouldn't say like my absolute favorite. Like, look at this, it's getting chunky, so no. I'm gonna go in with the rest of my face. I'm gonna go in with my Ulta Beauty concealer. But yeah guys, I mean, this is the first impression, and my first impression about that is that I don't like it. It did not move at all. If you guys want a good glitter, I definitely recommend the Stila glitters. That is my absolute favorite glitter if I'm gonna apply glitter to my face, to my eyes. I love it. I love that one, and it's, I mean, it's kind of pricey for the small one. I mean, but it's all right because it's totally worth the money at the end. So, but I don't like it. I definitely don't like it. I had to go in with another glitter just to make it look at least some type of decent, because it, to me, I didn't like it. Okay love, so I am back. This is the finished completed look. Now the eye primer I definitely like. I feel like the shadows blended out very well on top of that, which I love. So that's gonna be like my new go-to eye primer. And then for the super shadow from ColourPop, I passed. Do not get it. I don't like it personally. I mean, that's my opinion. I don't like it because once I applied it, it did not want to blend out. Like, it just stuck there. It didn't want to move. Like, I tried it with my finger. I mean, not with the finger, with the brush that comes with it. Didn't work. I tried it with a brush. Didn't work. I didn't like it personally. That's my opinion. I pass on this. I will not use this. I'll try it one more time to see if I can do something else with it, but my opinion, I don't like it. it's a pass for me. But yeah, that is it for my makeup tutorial. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, loves.